Hi everyone, Cassie from TeenEagle here, and I'm going to quickly explain to you how to access your exam. You will receive an email that looks like the one that is in front of you. Please see where it says you may find your exam link here and click on the link. You will then see that another tab will open up. Right at the top where it says TeenEagle Online Session 1. All right, it will show your category, it will show the date, and very importantly, it will show the time. All right, so for example, this one says 10 a.m. UK time, but please check because we have two time zones. We have 10 a.m. Bangkok time as well as 10 a.m. New York time. Very importantly to read the rules, all right? So welcome to TeenEagle Online. At exactly 10 a.m. and your time zone, you will then see this blue button that says Start TeenEagle Online. Not at 9:59, but in fact exactly at 10 a.m. All right. Once you have started, you will have 60 minutes to complete the exam. You cannot skip any question. Once you have submitted your answer, you will not be able to return to any of the previous questions. Click the Submit Answer button to submit your answer and then go to the next question. Do not click the back button. All right, you will not be penalized for incorrect answers, and all participants should answer questions to the best of their ability without external help from the internet, books, people, or other resources. Okay, in case of any internet connection problems, you may refresh your page and go on from where you have left off. In case of draw in points, the fastest student wins. All right, good luck. So I'm going to show you what the exam will look like once you press this blue button. Okay, so once you press this blue button, we will say example. Okay. And this is what it will look like. You will see that there's a countdown on the top right-hand corner. All right. So we are quickly going to work through this exam. If you have any questions on the day, the TeenEagle team will be on standby to answer any questions that you have. You can visit the TeenEagle website and ask a question in the live chat. Your teachers will also be on standby. Should you have any questions, you may also ask them. All right, so as you see, I'm just clicking on the answer, but you have to click on Submit Answer. You will see at the bottom, after every answered question, the number will have a blue coloring around it. All right, so you will have 60 minutes for a variety of questions. And as you see, we will not be able to go back and answer any questions. Once you have submitted, this is the answer that you officially lock into the system. Please note that all students will have their questions randomized and they will not be the same as anybody sitting next to them. All right, so we are nearly done, so I can show you exactly what you will see at the end of your exam. Please do not be afraid when you see the questions that I'm answering. This is a past paper, and this video is just a tutorial on how to answer the questions. All right, so once you have successfully submitted your answers, you will see that there is a TeenEagle Session 1 survey. You will then click on that survey and answer the questions that follow. All right, it then tells you that our award ceremony is on Saturday, December the 17th at 10 a.m. UK time. We have our social media links. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you join the Telegram group, and you follow us on Instagram. You will also be able to click on your certificate. Okay, so once you have finished your exam, you can then download the certificate. All right. As soon as you have finished, you will receive an email that confirms that you have finished the TeenEagle Online Session 1, your age category, and then your date. It then also gives you the link for the award ceremony held on December 17th. Okay, good luck to everybody doing the exam tomorrow. Wishing you all the best. Take care.